Hackers exploit hidden software flaws to install malicious code. No user interaction needed. Unlike phishing or fake links. Common targets: smartphones, laptops, IoT devices and apps. Messaging, video calls and email apps are especially vulnerable. End-to-end encryption makes these attacks harder to detect. Effects: stolen data, funds, assets and corporate secrets. Can damage systems, disrupt operations and spread through networks. May trigger legal action and regulatory fines for data breaches. Prevention tips: keep all software and firmware updated. Use multi-layered security tools, firewalls, antivirus and AI detection. Segment networks, control access and train staff on cyber hygiene. Vet all third-party apps, vendors before use. Have a clear, practiced cyber incident response plan.